Garage door repairs may seem simple, but the risks involved can be deadly. Think twice before you attempt it yourself. Heavy garage doors contain complex systems that ensure our security and convenience every day. Their importance cannot be overstated. Professional technicians possess the essential training to safely manage high-tension components, preventing severe injuries or accidents. Did you know a minor issue with just one component can lead to total garage door failure? Expert diagnosis is crucial. When it comes to repairing garage doors, temporary fixes often lead to recurring problems and more expenses down the line. Specialized tools and equipment enable professionals to execute repairs that homeowners simply cannot manage with basic tools. Misaligned or bent tracks can make your garage door almost impossible to use, yet experts can restore smooth operation quickly. Garage doors often face wear and tear, but seasoned technicians can assess damage and preserve their structural integrity. Routine maintenance, like lubrication and part inspections, is essential for trouble-free operation, giving homeowners peace of mind. Hiring experts ensures safety and reliability, allowing you to rest easy while your garage door functions perfectly. Trust the professionals.